'Tis the season for making homemade ice cream. Your kids will love this activity. Start by adding 1 cup of half and half to a quart-sized Ziploc bag. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. With younger kids, it's helpful to have them pour the vanilla over a small container instead of over the bag just in case they spill. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Carefully seal your bag and be sure to gently remove as much excess air as possible. Then place your sealed quart-sized bag into another quart-sized bag. This is helpful in case the bag leaks. Place your double-bagged mixture into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and pour in enough ice to cover it. Add 1/4 cup of salt to the ice, and the coarser the salt, the better. The double bagging method also helps prevent salt from getting into your ice cream. Seal your gallon bag very well because now it's time to start shaking it. This part is really fun for kids because they get to get a little wild. Just prepare for lots of excited screaming and jumping up and down. I recommend spending about 10 minutes shaking and moving your ice-filled bag, and the longer you shake it, the thicker your ice cream will be. Once you check your quart-sized bag and determine that the ice cream has thickened, I recommend rinsing the bag off to remove any salt. My girls loved scooping their own homemade ice cream and, of course, adding their favorite ice cream toppings.